Partner Hub gathers all information and makes it available to you in one unique place. Within the platform, you can access all tools, services, and information through the homepage or via the menu. It can help you build a project with powerful designing tools, collaborate with your teams in real time, follow learning courses, or get insights from videos, webinars, and events. With Partner Hub, ABB tools are now connected to each other under the same platform. After login, you will reach the home page. This page displays a preview of the tile's content. For example, within Clicks, you can access your existing project or create new ones, watch some trending videos, send ABB feedback, or follow a training course. To access the full tile, you can click on the Go To link. These tiles are always accessible through the upper ribbon on the page. This menu is always available, so you can easily switch from one tile to another. To discover more about these tiles, please refer to the following videos.